prices on pound USD guys. This 50 guys will be selling this, and guys hit a first target and almost hit a second one as well. After that, guys we had a correction, a move back up again. So unlike the euro guys, the price action here is clearly bullish. So what can I do? What can I do? Should I go with my sentiment on the euro, or should I start selling this? So should I start buying this? So guys, for that I keep it simple. As long as the price is able to stay above 1.38248, guys, I am bullish, and you will be seeing yesterday's high very easily, guys. But by the time if I put my analysis and the price has broken below, guys, if it has, and guys, please do not waste your time buying this. Start selling this, and our first target would be, guys, 1.37935. Guys, and our next target would be 1.37513. Because I expect the price to break below. Regardless of this, so if the price breaks below, then guys we start selling. Before that, guys, we are buying this. So there's that, guys. So wishing you guys the best of luck and hope you guys make money trading this way.